When we think about upgrading our living spaces, modern TV furniture often takes center stage. It's more than just a spot to hold your TV. It can transform your entire living area, making it functional, stylish, and organized. Let's dive into why modern TV furniture has become such a game changer and how it can make a difference in your home. Modern TV furniture is all about blending practicality with aesthetics. The first thing you notice is the sleek design. Unlike the bulky entertainment centers of the past, today's TV furniture is streamlined and versatile. This makes it perfect for various home styles, from minimalist to contemporary. The clean lines and neutral finishes mean it seamlessly integrates with your decor without overpowering the space. It's like the perfect supporting actor that enhances the star, the TV, without stealing the show. But it's not just about looks. Modern TV furniture is designed to help you stay organized. Let's face it, the living room can easily become a tangle of cables, remotes, and random gadgets. With features like built-in cable management, hidden compartments, and ample shelving, modern TV units ensure everything has its place. You can keep wires neatly tucked away, avoid the clutter, and even create a dedicated spot for streaming devices, sound systems, and gaming consoles. This level of organization doesn't just look good. It makes your space more functional and less stressful to use. Another significant advantage is the storage. Many modern TV stands come with drawers, cabinets, or open shelving, giving you options based on your needs. If you're someone who prefers a clean, clutter-free look, go for closed storage. On the other hand, if you like to display books, decor, or personal items, open shelving can help you showcase your personality. Either way, having extra storage is always a plus, especially in smaller homes or apartments where every inch counts. One of the hidden benefits of modern TV furniture is how it enhances your viewing experience. The right TV stand can ensure your screen is positioned at the ideal height, reducing strain on your neck and eyes. Some designs even include swivel mounts or adjustable shelves, letting you customize the setup to suit your room layout. Whether you're watching your favorite series, playing video games, or hosting a movie night, having a comfortable ergonomic setup makes a world of difference. Safety is another aspect that often goes unnoticed but is so important. A sturdy, well-designed TV stand can prevent accidents, especially if you have kids or pets at home. Many models come with features to secure the TV in place, reducing the risk of it tipping over. And for those of you with larger televisions, modern furniture is built to handle the weight, providing a stable and reliable base. Now let's talk about customization and how modern TV furniture can reflect your personal style. Many brands and designs offer a wide range of finishes, materials, and configurations. Whether you prefer the warmth of natural wood, the sleekness of glass, or the industrial vibe of metal, there's something for everyone. Some models even include LED lighting or adjustable panels, adding a touch of drama and making your TV area a focal point of the room. When choosing the perfect modern TV furniture, it's important to consider a few key things. Start with the size of your TV and the space you're working with. Measure both carefully to ensure the stand complements your setup without overpowering it. You'll also want to think about your storage needs. Do you need space for a soundbar, gaming consoles, or a collection of DVDs? Knowing what you need to store will help you choose a unit that meets those needs. Pay attention to the materials and build quality as well. Solid wood or metal frames are excellent for durability, while tempered glass offers a sophisticated look without compromising on strength. If you're into DIY or enjoy refreshing your decor, look for modular options. These can be reconfigured or expanded as your needs change, offering flexibility for the future. Another tip is to think about how the TV furniture fits into the flow of the room. Consider whether you want the TV to be the main focus, or if it should blend more subtly with the surroundings. For open-concept spaces, modern units with a low-profile design can create a natural separation without blocking the view or disrupting the aesthetic. And of course, don't forget about lighting. If your TV stand includes built-in lighting, it can create a cozy atmosphere while highlighting the decor. Even if it doesn't, you can always add strip lights or small lamps to enhance the area. This not only adds a stylish touch, but also reduces eye strain during nighttime viewing. The beauty of modern TV furniture lies in its versatility and how it caters to a variety of lifestyles. If you're someone who loves entertaining, having a sleek, organized TV setup becomes a central part of hosting. Think about the joy of a movie night with friends or a casual sports watch party, where your entertainment hub serves as the perfect backdrop. It's not just furniture. It becomes part of the experience, adding that touch of sophistication and comfort your guests will appreciate. For families, modern TV furniture is a lifesaver in managing the chaos that often comes with shared spaces. It provides designated spots for everything, from video game consoles to kids' movies and even family photo albums or keepsakes. The thoughtful design makes it easier to maintain order, while still allowing the space to feel lived in and welcoming. Plus, with safety features like rounded edges or cable management, it ensures the living room is a safe zone for little ones. And for those who work from home or live in smaller spaces, modern TV furniture can serve multiple purposes. Many designs now include features like fold-out desks or extra shelving, allowing the unit to double as a workspace or storage solution. It's this kind of adaptability that makes modern TV furniture a smart choice for maximizing both form and function. Another thing to consider is how modern TV furniture impacts the energy of the room. When your space feels organized and well-designed, it has a positive effect on your mood and productivity. Walking into a room that's tidy, visually appealing, and thoughtfully laid out creates a sense of calm and comfort. It's one of those small upgrades that can have a surprisingly big impact on your daily life. Let's not overlook how modern TV furniture can be an environmentally conscious choice. Many manufacturers are now focusing on sustainable materials and eco-friendly designs, so you can find options that align with your values. Look for pieces made from recycled wood or metal, or those certified for low emissions. Not only are you elevating your space, but you're also contributing to a greener planet. For those who love to experiment with interior design, modern TV furniture is a playground of possibilities. You can pair it with other pieces to create a cohesive theme, or use it as a statement piece that stands out. Add decorative accents like plants, framed photos, or art pieces to personalize the area. Changing up these small elements over time keeps the look fresh and ensures your living space always reflects your personality. One more tip is to think long-term when choosing your TV furniture. Trends may come and go, but timeless designs will always have a place in your home. Opt for neutral colors or classic materials that can adapt as your taste evolves. And if you ever decide to rearrange or redecorate, a well-chosen modern TV stand will fit seamlessly into your new vision. At the end of the day, investing in modern TV furniture isn't just about upgrading your entertainment area. It's about enhancing your home as a whole. It brings together style, functionality, and comfort in a way that makes everyday life more enjoyable. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, a family-oriented person, or someone who values a neat and stylish space, modern TV furniture has something to offer. So take your time to explore the options, think about what fits your lifestyle and space, and go for a piece that resonates with you. It's more than just a purchase. It's an investment in creating a home environment that feels complete, welcoming, and uniquely yours. One of the best things about investing in modern TV furniture is how it elevates the overall ambience of your home. It shows that you've put thought into creating a cohesive, functional space. Whether you're entertaining guests, spending time with family, or just enjoying some downtime, the right TV furniture makes the experience more enjoyable. It's a subtle yet powerful way to enhance your lifestyle. Modern TV furniture is also a smart investment. High-quality pieces are built to last, meaning you won't have to replace them frequently. And because the designs are so versatile, they can adapt to different styles and trends over the years. It's an upgrade that pays off in both the short term and the long term. So if you're thinking about giving your living space a refresh, modern TV furniture is a fantastic place to start. It's stylish, functional, and adds value to your home in so many ways. Take the time to explore your options, choose a piece that resonates with your style, and enjoy how it transforms your space into something truly special.